Hey guys, this is Tim Dawson with Automotive. Today I got a 2016 Nissan Rogue, clean Carfax, one owner. I'm going to walk you around and show you some features on this Nissan real fast. All right, here's a good shot of your rims and tires. There's no scrapes or scratches on the rims. Plenty of tread left on the tires as well too. Now we've also completed an inspection on this vehicle. We're also going to put a 30-day powertrain warranty on it, so if something happens in the first 30 days, we're gonna be able to take care of you there. Now this car is extremely clean inside and out. There's no rips or tears in the seats. This car is also a non-smoker as well. No cracks or fading in the dash. As you can see, the carpet's really clean as well too. Yeah, good shot of your back seat. Again, no rips or tears in the back. No funny smells on the inside of this car. Carpet's clean as well too. Another shot of your rims and tires. Again, no scrapes or scuffs. Plenty of tread left on the tires. Now this Nissan is going to be equipped with a backup camera, and it's also all-wheel drive, so it is going to be good in the winter time. Plenty of room back here for storage. You can fold all the seats down flat if you need a little more cargo space as well too. Tires again. Now we do have financing available. We have rates as low as 4.24, and we also work with people that are trying to rebuild their credit. Again, this is a 2016 Nissan Rogue, all-wheel drive, clean Carfax, one owner. It's been through our repair shop. We've certified this vehicle. If you have any questions on this vehicle, my name is Tim Dawson. Feel free to give me a call or text at 309-310-3034. Let's hop inside and look around a little more. Of course, you do have power windows, power locks. No rips or tears in the driver's seat, no cigarette burns, any of that stuff. Now you are going to be able to lock this in four-wheel drive if you need to, and you also have the eco mode on this vehicle, which is just going to help you get a little better fuel economy. All right, so you do have a backup camera in here, so always nice to have. Down below you have a couple charging ports, and you also have an aux hookup, or you can just hook it up to the Bluetooth and stream all your music there as well too. And obviously you have your cruise control built in right on the steering wheel. Set your cruise, good to go there. All right guys, this was a 2016 Nissan Rogue, Carfax, one owner. If you have any questions on it, please give me a call or text, 309-310-3034. Oh, and a couple more things. The reason that warning light is on is because it's low on fuel. And I almost forgot, there is no chips or cracking in the windshield. So your windshield is good to go. All right, now we're done. Thanks guys.